Step onto any used car lot across the country and you'll spot them immediately. Lined up in the back row, coated in dust, passed over, already marked down twice because drivers under 50 won't go near them. Meanwhile, the salesman is busy funneling every customer towards some lease return SUV with a bumper-to-bumper warranty he's desperately hoping they'll bite on. Here's what nearly a quarter-century turning wrenches has drilled into me. The 3 luxury SUVs I'm about to walk you through aren't just recommendations. They're the exact vehicles I point my own family toward. One of them is what I helped my mother-in-law drive home last spring. These are the trucks that roll into my shop at 180,000 miles and roll back out needing nothing but fresh oil and a wave goodbye. Every single one was built with an intelligence that quietly makes life simpler for older drivers, without announcing itself as an old person's car from half a block away. I'm talking about luxury SUVs that seniors can climb into without grabbing for a handle, see clearly out of without twisting their necks, and own for 10+ years without a single repair invoice that sends them reaching for their kids' phone numbers. The third pick on this list is solid. The second is exceptional. But number 1, that's the vehicle. I'd hand my own father those keys first thing tomorrow and never think twice. Before we dive in, do like and subscribe to the channel if you love watching videos like this. Your encouragement means a lot. Let's begin. Number 3, Lexus RX 350, older generation. If you've never seriously considered an older Lexus RX, that's exactly why it's here. Last year, a 68-year-old retiree from Jacksonville came to me looking for a comfortable, worry-free SUV. He was about to buy a brand new compact SUV with flashy features but a stiff ride and questionable long-term reliability. Here's what he was doing wrong. He was prioritizing newness over proven durability. Here's what I told him. Look at a well-maintained older Lexus RX 350 instead. And here's what happened after. He bought one at nearly half the price of his original choice, and a year later, he hasn't had a single unexpected repair. Just routine servicing. Lexus built the model using extremely reliable components derived from Toyota's long-standing engineering philosophy. The engine and transmission combinations in these models are known for longevity. Unlike newer vehicles overloaded with fragile tech, these SUVs were designed during a time when durability was still the priority. You get a quiet, smooth ride, easy entry and exit, and controls that are simple and intuitive, without worrying about expensive electronic failures. A well-maintained RX 350 can easily run beyond 200,000 kilometers with minimal issues. Annual maintenance costs are often 30 to 40% lower than comparable German luxury SUVs. That's not a small difference. Over 5 years, that gap can add up to thousands of dollars in savings. Compare that to something like a used European luxury SUV, which might feel more premium initially, but can hit you with costly suspension repairs, electrical issues, and high parts costs. If you're considering an RX 350, here's what to check. First, verify full service history. Second, inspect suspension components for wear. And third, ensure there are no warning lights or neglected maintenance items. So, who should do this? Seniors who want comfort, reliability, and zero-stress ownership. And who should avoid it? Buyers looking for cutting-edge tech or sporty performance. This is a safe, smart pick. But the next one is where things get even more interesting. Stick around. Number 2. Acura MDX, previous generation. Nobody talks about this, but the Acura MDX might be one of the most underrated luxury SUVs for seniors. A few months ago, a 72-year-old former government officer from Dallas was deciding between a new mid-range SUV and a used luxury option. He assumed luxury meant high maintenance. Here's what he was doing wrong. He was ignoring brands with strong reliability records. Here's what I told him. Look into the Acura MDX, and here's what happened after. He found a well-kept model, paid significantly less upfront, and now enjoys a quieter, more comfortable ride than anything in the new car segment he was considering. Acura, like Lexus, benefits from Honda's engineering DNA. The SUV is built with a focus on long-term reliability, with a naturally aspirated engine that avoids the complexity of turbocharged systems. Fewer complicated parts mean fewer things that can go wrong. That translates directly into lower repair costs and more predictable ownership. The vehicle has consistently ranked high in reliability studies. Maintenance costs are often comparable to non-luxury SUVs, despite offering a significantly more premium experience. Over time, owners report fewer major repairs compared to many competitors. Compare that to newer SUVs with turbocharged engines and complex electronics, which may deliver better fuel economy on paper, but often come with higher long-term repair risks. If you're considering an MDX, here's what to check. Confirm transmission service history. Second, inspect brakes and tires, as these vehicles are heavier. And finally, ensure all electronic features are functioning properly. Seniors who want a balance of luxury, space, and reliability must go for it. But if you're a buyer who wants ultra-modern infotainment systems or hybrid technology, stay away. Now, let's take a look at the crown spot. This one completely changes the game when it comes to low-maintenance luxury. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Older generation. If you've only ever thought of this as a rugged off-road machine, that's exactly why it's sitting at number 1. Not long ago, a 70-year-old retired guy from Houston reached out while searching for a final car he wouldn't have to replace. He was leaning toward a brand new luxury SUV with all the latest features. Here's what he was doing wrong. He was chasing modern features instead of long-term dependability. Here's what I told him. Find a clean, well-maintained older Toyota Land Cruiser. And here's what happened after. He bought one, and within months he realized something surprising. It was more comfortable on long drives, easier to live with day to day, and most importantly, completely stress-free. No unexpected breakdowns, no complicated electronics, just solid, dependable performance. The Land Cruiser was engineered with one goal above all else: absolute durability. This is a vehicle designed to survive extreme conditions across the world, from deserts to mountains. That level of over-engineering means that in normal daily use, especially for seniors who drive calmly, the vehicle is barely being pushed. The engine, transmission, and drivetrain are all built to last significantly longer than most luxury SUVs on the road. Let's understand why that matters for you. You get a vehicle that feels solid, stable, and reassuring every time you drive it. The ride quality is smooth, the seating position is excellent for visibility, and the overall experience is calm and confidence-inspiring. It's the kind of SUV that doesn't demand attention. It just works. Many Land Cruisers easily cross 300,000 to 500,000 kilometers with proper maintenance. Routine service costs are often lower than people expect because of Toyota's widespread parts availability and simple engineering compared to European rivals. Over a long ownership period, this can save an enormous amount of money. This is not a small difference. It's the kind of gap that can determine whether ownership feels effortless or exhausting. Compare that to modern luxury SUVs filled with advanced driver systems, air suspensions, and complex electronics. While they may feel impressive initially, those systems can become expensive liabilities over time, especially once the warranty expires. If you're thinking of one, do note the following things. First, look for a full service history and evidence of regular maintenance. Second, inspect the chassis and underbody for rust or damage, especially if it was used off-road. Lastly, ensure the suspension and drivetrain components are in good condition, as these are key to long-term reliability. Seniors who want maximum reliability, a commanding driving position, and a vehicle they can depend on for years without stress are in. But the buyers who want compact size, easy parking in tight urban spaces, or the latest high-tech interior features must consider other options. Once you understand this one, you start seeing the entire car market differently. So what's the bottom line? The Lexus RX 350 is the comfort-focused, low-risk entry into luxury ownership. The Acura MDX is the balanced option that blends space, reliability, and value. And the Toyota Land Cruiser is the long-term durability king that simply refuses to quit. And the Land Cruiser is the gold standard. These are the vehicles the market ignores, but people who truly understand long-term ownership don't. Most buyers chase newness. Smart buyers chase proven reliability and real-world comfort. Now, you know what most people miss. The next time you're about to buy an SUV, You'll see exactly what's happening behind the scenes. You'll recognize when you're being pushed toward expensive, complicated options, and you'll know how to avoid them. If this helped you think differently about buying a luxury SUV, hit subscribe. I've got more videos on smart car buying and long-term ownership strategies that will help you save money and avoid costly mistakes.